Easter Seals is celebrating its 15th year of passage to India, and our own Liam Donahue is now highlighting Cordoba Healthcare Clinic.
Peoria's Cordoba Healthcare Clinic says it serves patients who are either uninsured or are underinsured. The clinic, established in 2016, is the brainchild of the late Dr. Wasim Elahi, who brought together people of different expertise to volunteer their time.
We really wanted for the community of Peoria some establishment where people can access the clinic without any fear of the bill.
Dr. Elahi was dedicated to keeping the clinic going, even when his health no longer allowed him to care for patients.
Even when he was on the deathbed, I was told, he called the nurses here, said, you should continue this even after pass away.
The clinic operates on Sundays from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. Dr. Ayub Patel says services are free for patients.
We do not charge them anything, and it is non-profit organization, so we collect the donation, and on that donation actually we do all the labs, all the x-rays or CT scan or whatever else the treatment wise that we need, any medication, then we actually provide to the patient for free.
Dr. Noor Kaiser, a gastroenterologist and volunteer at the clinic, says it can be hard for those who are uninsured or underinsured to receive proper care.
You can only get critical care. You can go to emergency room, they'll take care of you, but once you get out, there's nobody to see you or follow up with you, in spite of our best efforts. This is where this clinic comes.
He says the clinic benefits many, including immigrants who come to the Peoria area. And with a diverse volunteer group, he hopes they feel right at home.
New immigrants, they have no health insurance, or they have very little insurance. They can barely speak English, many of these folks. So they come here, we got people from different countries, different languages, and I'm sure they feel they really appreciate the help they're getting, and they can walk in here anytime.
Reporting in Peoria, Liam Donahue, WMBD News.